Welcome to the Northern Territory. Woo! We're in our very last state now before we head back to Queensland, which is where we started. So that is pretty crazy. Bloody hot up here. This is how we sleep nowadays. We've got a meshy nets all velcroed up on all of our doors. It's only annoying when you need to get out to pee, but we sleep with that open and that open and that open if we can. Some days we're parked on a sketchy side of the road and we have to close it and just melt away inside. But yeah, this is our camp tonight. And today we are going to go explore Litchfield National Park. So there should be lots of water holes, lots of waterfalls, and hopefully lots of swimming. Depends what the croc sitch is like up there, but we're not sure. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey Luke, time to get up. Make me a coffee, bitch. Mornings are the very best time of the day right now because they're the coolest, even though we have our windows open already at 7 a.m. Not sure it managed to. It's the best temperature. You actually put your hand out and it's cold. As soon as we get past like 9 o'clock in the morning, it's hot air. Hot air. And we have no AC in here, so. Oh dang, she hot. Here we are, Cascades. Upper and lower. Rusty old gear. Getting our bag all packed up, blankie, water, some snacks, and then we will have breakfast when we come back. I think this is one of the longer walks we have today, which doesn't sound that long, 1.7, but return that's over 3. So trying to crank it out before it gets too hot, and then yeah, we'll have brekkie when we come back and carry on. Very low crocodile risk. Not no crocodile risk, just very low.
First up, Dan. On to the next swim, hopefully pretty soon. This way, up the rocks. We are assuming. Yeah?
We are assuming.
Assuming. Which one? We were swimming down there, and now there's all this. How good does that look? Look at Goanna. Look, swimming across. Where's he going? Bloody big goanna swimming across the river. What's that? Alright, we have reached the upper Cascades, which we didn't realise we had. We were like, track ends? What? But yeah, apparently track ends. Better carry on just a little bit up, just to see what's up there. One more swim before we head off for some brekkie. Right in there. Alright, time to go for brekkie. Jen's getting the shoes on. Yeah. I borrowed bagels. Yeah. Hey Coco, we're back.
On. Finance on. Coffee on. Everything's on.
Everything's on. We're all on. I'm
We're all on. And we're off to Wangi Falls. I don't know how you actually pronounce it. We've been calling it Wangi, but it's questionable.
Literally W-A-N-G-I. Wangi.
Wangi. 5 minutes down the road. Here we are. Wangi Falls car park. Wangi Falls. Got our coffees. We're gonna go enjoy them in a shady bench. And then we'll go see what the falls are looking like. We can't swim in these ones, so it'll just be an observe. OMG, I just looked under the table and there are a ton of ants, like these big green ones. I will show you. They have green bums. What are they doing? They're everywhere.
There will be no swimming today. I do not want to get eaten by a crocodile. No, thank you.
What a crazy
What do you
country.
reckon?
Crazy country.
You want to get eaten?
Who would live here?
Oh, look how nice for swimming this looks too. Oh, it looks like
What a waste.
it looks like an oasis to swim in. That's stupid. Stupid crocs.
It sometimes is open for swimming.
Yeah, no, it is.
It's just right now.
And likely presence of crocodile. Swimming is prohibited due to strong currents and likely presence of crocodiles. That's not fair. It's so hot and it looks so nice. Right, all done with that falls. On to the next one. Which one's next now? We don't know, but we'll see you there. It's so hot. Dying. Jenny is dying. She's dying. We're at the next falls, which is apparently a 2.7 kilometre walk in this heat. I think not. But we're going anyway. Yeah. And Jen's gone. She can put up with my shit. She gone. Jen, wait! Wait for me, I've got little legs! That is fucking gross.
Australia is fucked. Absolutely fucked. Why is something that big allowed?
You're just on edge now. Oh!
Seriously?
No.
Oh, I tried to keep it cool.
Oh, it's too hot to be walking up hills right now. My God. Dying. You alright, Jenny?
What?
Yeah, look. Feeding.
Fucked up.
So hot. Stripping. It's like a little wonderland. And then it goes, boom. Surely we'll be popping some manus into there if it's deep enough. so it's time to head off and go find the next one and then camp.
Just a little lookout.
Yeah, a little lookout. Alright. Back down we go into the heat. We are back. Ready to go? Is it? Oh, it's boiling.
We tried to put sunscreen on, but we're both so sweaty, so we had to like dry it off with the towel. Look at your, show your forehead, it's like beading already and there's sunscreen on it. And it's white.
Oh yeah, look, I'm beading. Oh. It's rubbing off. Oh my god.
I've never sweat so much in my entire life.
It's nuts. Travel up north.
To be fair,
this time of year.
They told us not to come now.
They did tell us not to come. They meaning everybody. And we didn't listen.
Literally, there wasn't one person we met that wasn't like, oh yeah, sounds like a great idea.
Yeah.
Everyone was like,
bad idea.
You shouldn't go up there now. And I'm like, well, gotta finish this one out.
Oh, we're going, and here we are, sweating. Wangi Falls. So all the best pools around here, you can't bloody swim in. Look at this one. There's even a little cave in there and stuff down there.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. Can't swim though. Something to do with bats and stuff, disturbing.
Some rare bats.
Yeah, some rare bat species, which is fair enough, I guess. I'm just hot, so I want to swim, but
no, it's not swim everywhere.
It's not all about me. Look at that tunnel up there, Jen. The bridge.
Oh,
right
wow.
there. See the bridge, guys? Just there. I can't tell if I'm pointing because the GoPro is broken, which you all know. Subscribe. It's so hot. Oh my god. I'm dying. At the beers in the fridge. Also, the fridge doesn't really work at the moment because it just breathes in hot air all day when the van's closed. So it drains the battery. Doesn't even fucking cool down the fridge. Oh, it's a nightmare. What?
There's only two.
Two in there?
Yeah.
Oh, get another two in now. There's only 2 beers in the fridge. 2. Devastated. That's the worst news I've heard all day. Are they at least a bit cold? A bit cold, she says. Not super. Anyway, I'm sure you guys can feel my pain right now. It's a new low. We'll get through it. We'll get through it, won't we, Jen? No, just yeah, sure. Your knees are sweating? Yeah. Jen's knees are sweating. Right, we've ended up at another swimming area because it was only 500 meters return. As much as I can't be fucked because I'm tired, but it's like
supposed to be raining
tomorrow,
tonight, and tomorrow. Yeah. So.
But honestly, it's still swimming weather even if it's raining, I reckon.
Oh, it definitely will
still be boiling.
It still was 35.
Yeah.
I think tomorrow, even despite the rain, 34 maybe.
I think we've talked too much in this video, so I'm just gonna clip some things together of us swimming. We are off to camp for a beer. Legit now. Goodbye, please.
Camp for the night.
Somebody get me a beer.
Got me a burger. Not bad. Not bad at all. Whoop.
Not cold enough, but still good.
Consider us quenched. Nobody does me. I feel so fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. Nacho night is in full swing. From our veggie meatballs from last night, so they don't go off. Cheese sauce. Walk. I feel like every time we film, it always ends up being nachos for dinner, but I think that is just because our film days are our biggest days of the most adventure and the most walking, so we always want to eat the most at the end of these days. So don't think the only thing we eat is nachos. I promise it's not.
The mozzies are coming to get us. Dinner is ready, so we're gonna do a quick migration to the van. All right, dinner and a bit of Netflix. Drink masters.
A little spray.
A little spray. So it's hot.
Always hot.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Make sure to subscribe and give it a like and a comment. Bye.